Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. When writing code in Python, it's important to follow naming conventions to ensure your code is clear, readable, and consistent. Python has well-established naming conventions for variables and functions. Adhering to these conventions not only makes your code more understandable but also helps you communicate effectively with other developers. In this tutorial, we'll explore the naming conventions for variables and functions in Python, with code examples. Variable names should be descriptive, indicating the purpose or content of the variable. This makes your code self-explanatory. Use lowercase letters and separate words with underscores for readability. For example, do not use Python's reserved keywords as variable names. These keywords are used for built-in functionality and control structures. For example, if, for, while, def, and class are reserved keywords. Use lowercase letters and separate words in variable names with underscores. This is known as snake underscore case. It's the most common naming convention in Python. If you have constants in your code, use uppercase letters and separate words with underscores. This helps distinguish constants from regular variables. Function names should be descriptive of their purpose. Use lowercase letters and separate words with underscores for readability. Just like variable names, use snake underscore case for function names. Make sure your function names are clear and concise. Function names should typically start with a verb that describes the action the function performs. This helps to clearly convey what the function does. Here are some code examples that adhere to Python's naming conventions for variables and functions. In conclusion, following consistent naming conventions for variables and functions in Python makes your code more readable and maintainable. It also helps you collaborate effectively with other developers, as everyone can easily understand and work with the code. By using descriptive names and adhering to the conventions outlined in this tutorial, you can write clean and efficient Python code. ChatGPT